for? I think you need more contestants to join the show. I'm here to play. Me too. Look at me. I think I'd make a great addition.
I'm ready to star in some great clips. Get it? Clip? Anyway, I'm ready to star in some great clips for this season.
You people are all too weird. Please leave.
We're not going anywhere.
I think there's too many fans on the Pillory Ruins now for. Think about Purpley Head too. Other people keep interrupting the game nowadays. True. Okay then, BFB gang, here's the boss. Everyone get on. We're leaving. Everybody say your final goodbyes to the Pillory Ruins.
Goodbye, skies of pink.
Wait. No. Let me come with you.
No. And we're off.
Yeah!
And I'm coming too.